Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to do SmartHub SKU creation. Before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. Need to add multiple products to your catalog without spending hours doing it manually. In this video, we'll walk through SmartHub SKU creation using the bulk upload feature, a faster and more efficient way to add products to your catalog using an Excel template. This process helps reduce manual effort, improves listing accuracy, and ensures your products get updated on your storefront faster, helping customers discover and purchase your products seamlessly. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your SmartHub seller account. Your product information is ready, including all mandatory details, and you're familiar with the SmartHub product management dashboard. Let's get started. Sign into SmartHub using your seller account. Once you're logged in, open the products dashboard by clicking products from the left navigation menu. Next, click Add/Manage Products to access your existing listings and product management actions. Now we're ready for bulk uploads. Click Bulk Upload to begin adding multiple products at once. With that done, let's prepare the product template. Under the Bulk Upload section, click Operation Type and select the relevant action. Choose Add New Product to upload new products to your catalog. Then click Download Template to download the Excel file required for bulk product uploads. Once downloaded, open the template and start adding your product information. Make sure all mandatory fields are completed. Product titles, pricing, inventory, and images should be accurate, and all product details must be entered in the correct format. The required product information includes SmartHub SKU. For OMS, the SmartHub SKU can either match your Amazon MSKU or be different. For WMS, the SmartHub SKU must exactly match your Amazon MSKU. You'll also need product name, brand, category, dimensions, and weight, including length, width, height, and weight. For has MRP, select false from the drop-down menu. For batch ID required, select false. For has serial number, select false. For has expiry, select true if the product has an expiry date or false if it does not. If has expiry is set to false, leave the fad time field blank. Remember, accurate information helps prevent upload errors and creates a better shopping experience for customers. Once everything is completed, upload the template by clicking Upload. After uploading, monitor the upload progress through job status. This allows you to identify successful uploads, review failed uploads, and correct errors for re-upload if needed. Finally, click all products and verify that the products have been successfully added to your catalog. Before we wrap up, let's answer a few common questions. What should I do if my bulk upload fails? Check the job status section, identify the error details, correct the errors in the template, and upload the file again. Can I update existing products using bulk upload? Yes. Depending on the selected operation type, you can use bulk upload to update existing product information. Why are some products not visible on my storefront? Products may not appear if mandatory information is missing or if the upload process is still in progress. Verify the upload status and product details. Is there a limit to the number of products I can upload? The upload limit may vary depending on platform guidelines and template constraints. How can I ensure a successful bulk upload? Fill all mandatory fields correctly, use the latest template, and verify product data formatting before uploading. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and happy selling!